Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you step-by-step guide on how to download COD Warzone on PC or laptop for free. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the Geeker Mag. First of all, open your browser and visit callofduty.com. Here, hover over the Games tab at the top and select COD Warzone. Now scroll down until you see the platform options. For PC players, you will want to hit that battle.net button. This will trigger the download for the battle.net installer, which is the official launcher for Activision Blizzard games. Once the setup file is downloaded, head over to the downloads location and double click on it to run the battle.net installer. Select the language depending on your region and click continue. When USC dialog box appears, click yes to continue. This will start downloading the required files to run the launcher. In the meantime, head back to Call of Duty website. Click on the account tab on the upper right corner. If you already have the account, then click on the login button and log in using your credentials. In case you don't have the account, then create one like this. On the sign up page, you can directly log in and create account using these options as well. But I will continue with email. Select country and then enter the birth date, month and year and click continue. Next, enter first name and last name and continue. Enter the email, mobile number, which is optional, so I will skip it and click continue. Now you will receive confirmation email from Call of Duty on the same email ID. Check the inbox, click to confirm the verification. Here, check the boxes for terms and conditions and click agree. Enter the secure password and click continue. Now enter the gamer tag. I will keep it to Geeker Mag and click continue. And that's it. Your account is ready. Don't forget to confirm the email verification from inbox. You can also download the launcher after creating the account by clicking this button that we have downloaded already. Now let's head back to installer. You can check this box if you want and click continue. Once installation complete, you will see this small dialog. Here click on the gear icon next to the select your region and then from the list select your region. Mine is Asia. Now you will see the sign in pop up, enter the credentials and login. Once launcher open up, head over to the game section at the top. You should see Call of Duty right there in the favorites. Click it and you will see a big blue button that says play for free. Click it. Now there is a pro tip for you. Before you hit install, click change folder. Warzone is a massive game like around 142 GB. So make sure you are installing it on your fastest SSD with plenty of space to avoid stuttering and long load times. Toggle your auto updates so you are never stuck waiting for a patch when your friends are ready to play. Now click on the continue button and then here keep everything as it is and click start install. This will start the installation of the game. You can track the progress on the bottom left corner. It's gonna take time depending on your internet speed. Once the progress bar hits 100%, that install button turns into play. Smash that button and you are officially ready for drop-in. And that's all about this video. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to the video, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.